This is my computer. It uses an AMD processor. In this video I introduce how to create a macOS virtual machine on Windows. I use VirtualBox to create a macOS virtual machine. On VirtualBox, I created a new macOS virtual machine. Navigate to the macOS.iso file. You set the minimum memory to 4 GB, here I set it to 8 GB. The virtual machine's processor has 1 core. I tried with more cores and encountered some problems when starting up. Next I set the hard drive size to 60 GB. After completing the creation of the new virtual machine, continue to customize it to suit the macOS operating system. You increase the maximum video memory to 128 MB. Set the graphics controller to VM SVGA. The virtual machine uses USB 3.0, otherwise it reports a mouse and keyboard error when installing. Then there are some settings for the virtual machine using the command line. This is the code to run the macOS virtual machine on VirtualBox. You update the virtual machine name for the above code. Then you open the command window on Windows. You navigate to the VirtualBox installation directory. Next, copy and paste the code above. Completed, close the command window and start installing macOS to the virtual machine. Just like on a physical computer, you format the hard drive before installing the operating system on it. You choose the hard drive, name it and format it. After completing formatting the hard drive, install macOS on it. It will take about 30 minutes to go through the setup steps for the first time booting macOS. I created a new admin account as requested. At this step, I have completed creating a macOS virtual machine on VirtualBox. But I recommend you add some installation steps later for a better experience. As you can see, the graphics memory is only 3 MB, so I installed VMware tools for this virtual machine. You allow VMware to be installed on macOS as above. I was asked to restart the virtual machine to complete the installation. After completing the installation, the graphics memory has been increased to 128 MB. The next step, I set up full screen for the macOS virtual machine. On macOS, you open the command window. The above command will set the virtual machine to full screen. It's annoying to have to run this command manually. So I set this command to automatically run every time I turn on the virtual machine. You create a new scripts file. This script runs the command I just used to set up full screen. You name and save the newly created script. Then you set it up so that every time you log into your account, the virtual machine automatically runs the full-screen setup command. Above are the steps to create a macOS virtual machine on Windows. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.